Hey guys, welcome back to Michelle's STEM Journey. I am Michelle and I am here today with the 8th and last video in the series Swift and Xcode. In today's video, we will be exploring more about Xcode, such as navigation stacks and navigation links. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Hey guys, welcome to the 8th video in the series Swift and Xcode, and it is also the last video in this series. So in the previous videos, we learned how to create buttons and how to allow users to input text. In this video, we are going to learn how to link one screen to another. So navigation stack is used to show the user a different view when they click an icon, button, or text. It displays a root view, and then when the user presses something, it will present an additional view over the root view. So in this example right here, we have navigation stack, and then we have a Z stack under that. And so under the Z stack, we made the background color purple, and then I added a text above that background color called "This is the root view." And so a navigation link is used to declare a link between two views, where tapping on the link or text, image, icon, etc. in the first view will navigate to the second view. When a new view is indicated, it will pop up on the screen over the previous view with a button to return it to the previous view. So after adding the text here, I added a navigation link below the text. And I named it "click here to go to the next screen." And so the layout here is that when you add a navigation link, between the parentheses, you'll put destination and then a colon and then whatever view you want to link this to. So, and then this will be what pops up in the preview. So you can click here and then it will go to the second view. Okay, so to create another view, we can link it to the previous or root view. We can click File at the top of our screen and then New and then File. Make sure to create a new Swift UI file and then give it a name. Going back to our code, we can fill in the destination with the new view that we created. Make sure to type the new view name correctly. So that was what I was just talking about. Clicking on the navigation link, it will lead us to the second view. Okay, so we're in Xcode right now, and there are some errors because I don't have anything in here yet, but I'm going to add a navigation stack. And then I'm going to add a V stack underneath that, and then I'm going to put the text called "Hello, Welcome." And then below it, I'm going to create a navigation link. Okay, so if we see here, it gave us an error. It said, "cannot find second view in scope," and that is because we didn't create it. So going to the top of our computer, we can click File, and then New, and then we can click File. And then make sure that we create a Swift UI view. Then we can click Next, and then I'm going to call this second view because that is what I named it earlier on. And then we can hit Create, and then you see it pops right below the content view. And so now going back, it was originally still giving me an error, and it was not because it couldn't find this, but because don't forget to add an open and closing parentheses after the view that you are going to link it to. And then so underneath the navigation link, I'm going to add a text. It's going to say, "click here to see the color purple." And then so if you see here, we can click on it in the preview, and clicking on it, it takes us to the second view. And so we can go and edit in the second view. So we can click over here to go. And right now it's the automatic version, just hello world. So I'm going to keep this simple by changing the background color into purple. Then I'm going to make sure it ignores the safe area to fill the screen up. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do for the second view. Okay, so this is what it looks like with just text. So the user might be a little confused what to click on, or they might click on this, but it's not as easy to find. And so we can actually add an image. So instead of adding a text here, we can add an image instead. Usually we can add an image that correlates to what the next view will be about. So you see here, we originally had just the click here to go to the next screen, but now I changed it. Instead of adding a text, I added an image. Okay, so we're back in Xcode, and I'm going to add another navigation link. Okay, so I added it, and then we can click on the image, and then it takes us to the third view. And so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the series Swift and Xcode, and thank you so much for watching.